So we drop in some limes. Then we come behind with some mint leaves, okay? Oh boy, these smell good. Next, we come behind with a little bit of simple syrup, okay? Ooh, simple syrup. Now, simple syrup is pure sugar and water, homeboys. All right, so be careful with that one. So what we doing here is we just, you know, getting some of the lime juices out, getting some of the oils out of the some of the juice and oils out of the lime, and you know, just breaking the leaves, a little bit of flavor. Now we come behind with 1.5 ounces of fresh white rum. You can smell the Jack Sparrow on this. Yes, sir. Okay. Then we hit it with a little bit of triple sec. Get us a little ice cube. And we just drop that in there. Why? Because we need to shake this, okay? That's the twist on this mojito. Remember, this is like a mojito. We're breaking a little bit of the rules here and there in the way this is made. So let's start off with your little nerds. Fresh box. Damn, I open one of these just... Oh, there we go. There's a hole on the side. Did you know that? Okay. Come on, nerds. Get out. So right here, guys, okay, that captures the seabed, okay? Coral reefs, plankton, algae, okay? Jellyfish. So, we come in with our little ice cubes. Then we grab a fish. I'm gonna use my little tweezers here because we want to be very hygienic. We try not to touch things, okay? Because, you know, Queen might stop by, want a little sip, and she'd be like, "Hey, is that clean?" I'd be, "Yes, ma'am." "Yes, Your Highness." Clean enough for you, okay? And these fish are fresh, okay? You can smell the ocean up in here. With our little strainer, just to make sure no mint leaves go in there. Ooh, look at the ocean! You see? Get out here with your bad self. Now you come over the top. And you just lay that bad boy right on there like that. Woo! And there you have it, the Swedish fish mojito.